Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I just wanted to do a follow-up video on my previous video that I did. I did get some comments of people wanting to see my before and after comparisons. And I do have a video currently up on my channel it's called my Traction Alopecia hair story, and in that video I did show my before hairline. So I decided to kind of put some clips together as well as some pictures just to do a comparison of the before and after pictures. And you will see that my before hairline, I did have a lot of hair loss on the right side of my hairline. So that was where my hair loss was mainly focused. And when I did have my consultation with Dr. Siegel, he did bring up if I wanted to have my hairline lowered as well. And so I said yes to that because I honestly did not like the shape of my original hairline, which was like a V-shaped hairline. So I always thought that looked very masculine. So I did agree to also lower my hairline as well. And you will just see in these clips of basically the comparison. So you basically get a better idea. And I apologize for not putting that in my previous video, but hopefully this video will help those who wanted to see a comparison of my before and afters.